Hello everybody, this is Kim Danke coming to you from the Shibboleth Studios in Kennesaw, Georgia. And today I'm going to show you how to use the worksheets that are in your resources tab in the website. I'm going to share my screen with you. And I have already clicked here on resources, foods, and recipes. I'm going to scroll down to worksheets and I'm going to click there. I have 4 different options of worksheets. Custom meal plans is one. So when I click there, I have to click the green create button to pull up the worksheet. I pull up the worksheet, I can title it and all of that at the top. And then what this activity is this is really great for you when you're first getting started. Write down in here what you currently eat. Then find your alternative in your new Shibboleth lifestyle and type it in over here. Because this lifestyle is all about us teaching you how to eat the foods you already love, but in a way that are going to help you lose weight. So this worksheet is excellent for doing that. We're going to go back and we're going to click on custom meal ideas. This is one of Travis's favorite worksheets, okay? And I've already got 2 started in here. They're very simple, but let's go ahead and click there. Let's see if I have anything in this one. I have some things in here. So for breakfast, I like to eat 1/3 of a hemp bar. For lunch, I like a Johnsonville turkey cheddar smoked sausage. And let's see if this says anything. And look, it says wrapped in Olay Extreme Wellness high fiber tortilla with cinnamon thinables. I know we don't have those anymore, so I'm going to put a Fiber Gourmet flatbread crackers. That right there gives me an entire meal that is a category 4 plus 2. And then for dinner, I have listed here chicken breast cooked in MCT oil with a category 2 veggie. So that is something that I have listed out. You can list out 15 on here, but what we'd really love for you to do is just build and build and build the meals that you like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That way you always have a variety of things that you enjoy. So then you can click save, and I'm going to hit save there. It'll go back to my list right there, okay? And then I'm going to go back to the worksheets area, and I'm going to click custom void replacements. And this custom void replacements is a spot where, let's say that you've been eating ice cream, but Moose Tracks ice cream helps you gain weight. It doesn't help you lose weight. So you need to figure out the ice cream that would work. So maybe right over here where you put Moose Tracks ice creams, you find the right ice cream, maybe a Halo Top ice cream that works, or something else. Then maybe you have a certain candy that you like. Maybe you like Reese's peanut butter cups, but maybe instead you're going to use the Choco Right peanut butter patties. So those kind of things. So you can figure those things out by doing this activity. And then you hit save. You can do this as many times as you need to with your worksheets. And I'm going to show you in just a second void replacements, so you'll know where to find what we suggest in using that. So we're going to scroll back up here, and I'm going to look at one more worksheet before we go to void replacements. I'm going to click there. And the grocery list meal plans, this is a great worksheet to use when you're in a challenge. I know I used this in the 21-day challenge. I'm using this now in the 3-day Tiger lockdown. So let's click right there. So right there, I have the title of what this is. I have the date. I have a description here of what I am doing this for. And in this particular challenge, I can utilize up to 12 lines here of the foods that were on the challenge program. So I can put that in. But you can use this for anything. It does not have to be for a challenge. It could be whatever your grocery list. The reason that this is called the grocery list is because basically you're making your grocery list, and over here you're writing down the breakfast, lunch, and dinners that you would want to eat, snacks and freebies. If you're using this for a challenge, you have to go by the guidelines, and sometimes snacks and freebies are not allowed, and so you would not fill in anything in that blank, okay? So I have my 12 items listed here for the current challenge I'm in. I'm having the breakfasts written down, the lunches written down, the dinners written down. And then I made myself some notes. And all of my notes aren't showing up. So if I take my mouse, see this little gray square in the bottom right-hand corner? If you just pull that down, all of my notes are there. These are the notes that I felt like I needed to be reminded of daily in order to get this challenge done properly, because I like to meet the challenge according to what it's supposed to be. And so I wrote down those notes that were important to me through the orientation video. Then I'm going to hit save again. But if you'll notice, I'm going to click on it one more time. If you'll notice that when I go back into that, that box is still, it went back to being small. You can still just stretch it out and see it again. Okay, so that is a great section of our website for you to plan what you're going to eat, know what you're going to eat, and have a list always there. So you don't ever have to lose this. It'll be held in the cloud for you on this website. So let's check out the void replacements real quick, because I mentioned that if I click on this green resources tab, I come down here and click on void replacements. Let's say that you like ice cream, okay? So let's come down here and let's see. Let's just look this one, Mayfield vanilla ice cream. So let's click there. It says don't eat it. And then it lists out a lot of different replacements. And so you would just try these replacements and figure out which one you personally like, and that is the one that you would use. So let's say that you like Reese's peanut butter cups. You could click there. It says do not eat it. And then it lists out all of the replacements that you could use right there. And then you have to figure out which ones you like of those. Obviously still using them within the guidelines of Shibboleth while you're trying them. But just as a quick reminder to go to your worksheets, you click on the green resources tab, scroll down, you see worksheets, you click there, and then there are your worksheets, okay? I hope that you have enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to use the worksheets in your resources tab. Y'all have a blessed day.